Salesforce.com has the most opportunity short term just because they've been run so inefficiently. And that's why all the activists have come into the stock to drive margins higher. The initial margin guide now in the high 20s is exactly what investors wanted. So it looks like the activists are having a good positive impact on how Salesforce is positioning their expense structure. They also had a little bit better backlog growth than most of us thought. Most of the previews were pretty negative. So overall, I think Salesforce is getting their act together on the cost side. That's really the biggest issue that investors have had, and that's why the stock is jumping so much. On the flip side, Snowflake had a good quarter, but they brought the guidance down. So they initially were guiding to 47%, now they're guiding to 40%. Their backlog growth slipped to about 38% growth versus 66 last quarter. So still, I think when you look at the models, Snowflake has way more opportunity than Salesforce in front of it as it relates to penetration, great management team, but it is a capacity-based model. So as companies idle back because of the macro jitters, they can theoretically idle Snowflake spend back faster. For Salesforce.com, it's a seat-based model. It's fixed. You can't really do anything with it.
Okay, so give me the sort of risk-reward on Snowflake now, the way you see it. I'm really intrigued by their cloud app strategy and their snowpark strategy, both of which they say they want to have developers build inside their environment. They've got a very loyal customer base. They want to become, again, the Salesforce, right, of the AI era. How closely should investors who are looking to be in a stock for a while mark their progress, Snowflake's progress, in getting a developer community to build apps on top of what they already got?
Yeah, it's happening now, and I think a lot of companies, when you talk about the AI world, we're sitting on so much data, we don't know what to do with it. Our firm is making the journey to Snowflake to figure out how we deal with our corporate data to make better decisions for our clients and for our own corporation. So we're early on the journey. Many of the other companies are really early in the journey. So I would basically say if you rewound and you looked at Salesforce.com 8 to 10 years ago, that's where Snowflake is at today. This is a management team that understands how to build a great franchise. They did it at ServiceNow. They're doing it here at Snowflake. We're really early. So the way I would frame it is if you're a value investor, Salesforce is a great story. If you're a growth investor, Snowflake, we think, has plenty of runway and has a big opportunity. Again, they just reset the numbers. So we think ultimately there's probably more upside over time in Snowflake, given the moves today.
All right, back to Salesforce for a moment. How quickly, if quickly, does Benioff have to get these activists off his back and focus on product to make that AI transition? I was just a few days ago talking to the CEO of a startup, ThoughtSpot, who was talking about taking Tableau's lunch. I mean, you can't let that kind of talk go on too long.
Yeah, I think that Mark doesn't have to get them off their back. He has to embrace them and bring them into his ohana, as he describes it. I think ultimately he's a peacemaker. He's going to figure out the right pathway. We've all known, and it's very obvious to everyone that's covered this company, and I've covered it since pre-IPO, that the company has spent more than they need to. The DJs, the Matthew McConaughey's, all the things that they're doing, they can cut out, right? This still is a great product. It's a great company. So there's incredible amount of expense to trim, and nothing against Matthew McConaughey. But the point is, the expense cuts are so clear that it's just obvious. Adobe, Intuit, Oracle, all their peers are materially way higher, and they just guided to a high 20% margin, which is the streets somewhere in the low to mid 20s. So they got part of the activists off their back, if you will, to your point, with the margin guide, and they just have to keep doing it. This company's capable of putting up 35 to 40% margins, and they just guided it to 27.